Hey guys, what's up? You are watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, I'm going to give you an ideas on how to make a snowflake using colored paper or bond paper, whatever you wanted, or computer paper. All we needed are scissor and of course the colored paper. So I'm just gonna cut some top shape right here, and then I'm gonna fold it once again, and you're gonna make a little sharp triangle and another triangle. Cut these in half, and for the other side until it looks like a cone. Yay. Okay, so we're gonna design our snowflake. I'm gonna cut from the center, and I'm just gonna cut from the edges. You better be careful because when you're working with sharp objects. And another side, and right here. Oops, I think it's enough. Okay, so we're just gonna go to open it. Side. Okay, it really looks like a snowflake. Okay, that's it for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next, guys. We will see you next, you guys, to our next video. Bye.